Here at Laminate Works, we're excited to offer our customers the best in Edgeband finish quality by introducing our new EMA NovaMatte Performance 1 Laser Edgebander. If you haven't experienced laser edgeband technology, you will be blown away by the difference in appearance of the edge. Because it uses heat from a laser to melt the edgeband to the substrate, there is no visible glue line or dirt buildup common with a glue-based solution. Instead, you're left with a sleek, seamless look from the face all the way around to the edge. The most impressive aspects of this massive machine are both the quality of the edge banding applied and the speed in which it operates. The glue line is so invisible that customers often assume the part was one solid piece rather than a two-faced part with seamless, matching edge banding. Along with the significant increase in quality, the machine has increased the speed in which we can manufacture parts. We can now edge band a 4-sided part in about 20 seconds. Paired with our new saw capabilities and PUR line, our best-in-class capabilities have increased our total manufacturing capacity 300%. In addition to its quality and speed, the Performance 1 boasts some impressive technical specs. The machine itself is more than 100 feet long with the ability to edge band parts of nearly any size, from 6 by 6 inches to 4 by 10 feet. The machine features an edge banding inventory management system which holds 24 reels of edge banding and can easily switch between colors and thicknesses during production. After the edge banding is applied, the edges are trimmed, scraped, buffed, and smoothed to remove any residue. The parts will make a loop through the feed for each side being edge banded before exiting the machine. The whole process is truly mesmerizing. After spending time investigating our options and improving the edge banding technology in our plant, we're confident we chose the fastest, highest quality edge banding solution we could find. We're looking forward to the opportunity to serve both new and old customers alike and deliver a superior finished product. If you're interested in using laser edge banding on your next project, reach out to learn more today.